Advanced RISC Machine (ARM) Processor. ARM stands for Advanced RISC Machine. It is one of the most licensed and extensive processor cores in the world. In the year of 1978, first ARM processor was introduced by Cambridge University. The first ARM processor was produced by Acorn Group of Computers in year 1985. ARM was founded and became very popular in 1990. In 2007, ARM processors were used in more than 98% of mobile phones and approximately 10 billion processors were shipped in 2008. ARM was the latest technology which was replaced by microcontrollers and microprocessors. In general, ARM is a 16-bit 32-bit processor or controller. In advanced digital products, ARM acts as a heart. These processors are specially used in portable devices like digital cameras, mobile phones, home network modules, wireless communication technologies, access control, communication gateways, medical systems, and in many other embedded systems. Some advanced features of ARM processor. In this designed processor there are only 25 basic instruction types. Through registers most of operations are implemented. Here every instruction has its own conditions with registers. This processor offers multiple modes of addressing. Manual stack manipulation is done here. Stack addressing and subroutines consist of explicitly programmed techniques. Because of 32 bits microprocessor, it is possible to have access to memory and data manipulation saved in these 32 bits. The address range of this processor is widely 26-bit. For direct access, it allows 64 megabytes of memory. It consists of single-cycle execution method. ARM applications. Here mentioning some of the applications of ARM. Portable media players, camcorders, Apple iPod Nano, original Zoom 30 GB, Juice Box, MPEG car, M6 mini player, etc. Mobile phone, PDAs, cameras, Nokia N93, Samsung Moment, Sony Cly NX60, Canon PowerShot A470, etc. GPS navigation systems, TomTom 300, Zarlink GPS receiver, Sunspot, Garmin navigation devices, etc. Portable games consoles, Game Boy Advance, 3Do Interactive Multiplayer, Nintendo 3DS, etc. Set-top boxes, TVS, hard disks, routers, Asus Tinker Board, Zipit Wireless Messenger, Acorn RISC PC, Gumsticks Basics and Connex, etc. Advantages of ARM processor. They are cheaper as compared to other processors. It consumes less power. Better battery life than other processors. It works faster because it performs one operation at a time. Users choose ARM processors because of availability and applications support. Disadvantages of ARM processor. You cannot run Windows on it very soon because it is not binary compatible with x86. The speeds and memory bandwidths are limited in such cases because of ARM processors' clock frequencies. Debugging is difficult because of scheduling of instructions. The performance of these processors totally depend on execution, so if programmer does not execute it properly, then it can take a long time to work properly.